Snapchat call plotting window not showing or not working problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat call plotting window not showing or not working problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. First of all, find Snapchat apps and then long press on Snapchat apps. Now open Snapchat app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Scroll down and go to picture in picture option. Just click on picture in picture option. Now allow picture in picture permission and then go back to home screen. Now press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, now go to Snapchat, call someone and see plotting window is showing now.